Hi everyone, welcome back to the Godox Knowled App tutorial series. In this episode, we will show you how to use the Godox Knowled App to configure lights that support DMX but not CRMX. The Godox Knowled App uses the universal DMX protocol. That means it can manage all DMX lights. Sometimes we really want to use wireless control, right? So for lights that don't support CRMX, we need devices like the TimoLink TRX and TimoLink RX to receive the CRMX signal. The TimoLink RX is a wireless DMX receiver. It's very simple, just plug it into the DMX-in port of your light and it works. The TimoLink TRX is a wireless DMX transceiver with a Bluetooth module, but for this purpose, we switch it to receive mode. So we just simply plug one of these devices into the DMX port of your light and power it up. For example, the bicolor version flexible light F400 doesn't support CRMX. In its control box interface, there's no CRMX option. But that's okay. We plug the TimoLink RX into the DMX-in port and power it with a USB-C cable. Now the F400 can receive the CRMX signal. If the TimoLink RX has been used before, it's best to reset it. Then set the DMX parameters, including address and mode, making sure they match the options you set in the app. Now let's test our TimoLink TRX in transmit mode. Great, it's paired, meaning the F400 is now receiving the CRMX signal. Besides the TimoLink RX, the TimoLink TRX can also be used similarly. It's a versatile device. Here we have another light, the M600D, which doesn't support CRMX. We plug the TimoLink TRX into the DMX out port and power it up. Then press the set button and the reset button on the back at the same time to enter activation state. Next, press the set button to switch to receive mode. When the RX indicator light is on, it means it's in receive mode. Press both buttons again to return to normal state. Set the DMX address and mode. Now let's test with another TimoLink TRX in transmit mode. Great is paired, meaning the M600D is now also receiving the CRMX signal. Okay, now let's add these two lights to our Godox Knowled app. First, we connect the tablet to the TimoLink TRX in transmit mode. Then add the lights. Make sure to select the same address and mode as we set on the control boxes. Now both lights appear in the app and we can freely adjust them.